Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 3 Premium, and today I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So if you're bored of your current watch face or of the default watch face, you can change it to make your watch more appealing. So let's get started. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And you can press and hold on this current watch face to open the watch face menu. And now you can basically scroll through the list of watch faces. Let's reopen it like this. You can scroll through this list by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. And once you find the watch face you are interested in, you can tap on it to select it. And it should be applied once you tap on it, like this. You can also use the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So you can grab the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera a bit so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zap application. In the app, we can tap on Device. Here you should see your Active 3 Premium. Now tap on Watch Faces. Here we have the watch face store, so if you want to download additional watch faces, you can do that. You can scroll through the watch face lists or the categories, find something you like, tap on the watch face, tap on sync. It will download and apply to your watch, like this. And if you just want to change the watch face from the ones that are already on your watch, you can tap on mine right here at the top. It will open the list of watch faces already installed on your watch. Here you can look for something you like, and once you find it, you can tap on the watch face and it will be applied, like this. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.